Logging your time to Capex accounts in Tempo Timesheets can get you money back from certain tax credits. Want to find out how? Tempo accounts are like a high-level organizer for categorizing all the time that is logged by your employees using Tempo Timesheets. Here at Lunar Industries, we use Tempo accounts for tracking all of our time, including that spent on work that's considered as capital expenditures, known as Capex, and also work that's considered as operating expenses, known as Opex. I'm a project manager who's tracking the work that my development team is doing. We're creating a new mobile app called the H3 Mine app for testing helium-3 levels for our mining operations on the moon. We'll log our time spent on the new app's development to this Capex account, and we'll use this Opex account to track the bug fixes and maintenance work done on this app after it's been released to customers. I want to get a report on the hours logged to both of these Capex and Opex accounts for a complete financial picture of profits and losses. But the report that will give Lunar Industries an immediate payoff is the one for the Capex accounts. It lets my finance team apply for lucrative R&D tax credits from the government. So let's look at how we log our time to these accounts. I'll click the name of the H3 Mine CPX account to open its account overview, which shows all of the account's information, including to which Jira projects the account is linked. I can link to more projects here, or delete links to a project by clicking the X. But what's great is that I can simply click this project's name to go directly to it in Jira. The first thing I'll do is set the default account to use for this Jira project by going to the project settings. And then under Apps, I'll select Accounts. Setting the default isn't necessary, but doing this means that all new issues created in this project will automatically have this account set for them. And that makes it easy to log time since there's less chance of choosing the wrong account when multiple accounts are linked to a project. At the top, I can see both the H3 Mine Capex and Opex accounts that I linked to this project when I created them. I can link to another account here, which is yet another way to do this, or delete a link to an account so that it's not available for logging time. I want my Capex account to be the default one while developing the app, so I just click Set Default here, and that's done. After the app has been released to the customer, I'll switch the default account to the Opex one. I'll go back to my project, and in this Jira issue, I see the account field here. And that's because our Jira admin added the Tempo account custom field to the Jira issue screens, and this was covered in a previous video. This isn't a new issue, so the default account isn't set for me, but I can simply select H3 Mine CPX from the dropdown. All the time that's logged to this issue from this point on will be related to this Capex account. I'll create a new issue here about developing the electromagnetic spectrum graph and assign it to John. And I see that the H3 Mine CPX account is indeed already selected, since that's what I set as the default account. So when we're ready to log time to our issues, we can click the Tempo icon up here, which opens the Tempo panel, and then click Log Time. Of course, we can also log our time in my work in Tempo Timesheets, or use the Tempo mobile app when we're on the go between Earth and the Moon. In the log time form, the issue is already selected, so all I need to do is fill out the number of hours worked in the duration field and add a description, although it's not necessary. I'm logging this time for John, so I click Show Hidden Fields and select him as the user, and then click Log Time. Any hours logged to this issue are automatically associated with the Capex account that I set for it, and I can see the work logs for this issue here in the Tempo panel. So as the app is being developed, I can easily check how much time on this project and others has been logged to this Capex account. On the Accounts page, I click on the Capex account name to open its overview, and then click Timesheet up at the right. And here I see all the time logged to this account for the past couple of months, which is handy for doing a quick check on the hours worked on which project and issue, and by which team member. This timesheet is similar to a report, but I need to save, share, and export this account data and more to my finance team. And to do that, I need to create a real log time report, which I will do in the next video.